Going to be showing you guys how you guys can drop pin on iPhone. So what dropping pin means is you guys are going to be sharing your location to your friends, not your current location. Wherever you drop the pin on the map, that location you can share it with your friends. That's what dropping a pin means on iPhone. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. It's on your iPhone, so you can click on maps over here. Once you go on a map, you want to go on any random location over here on your map, and you want to hold on the place. So let's say I want to go at this location called F180. I can hold on over here and a pin will be dropped. Once a pin is dropped, if I want to move it somewhere else, I can click on move over here to choose like the specific part of like this area where I want this to be. So let's say I want it to be in this house. I can choose this house, click on done at the top right corner of my screen. So let's say I want to share this with my friends over here, so all of my friends can come over here. I can click on the three dot right beside move and click on where it says, share. Click on share. Once you click on share, you can choose to whomever you want to send it to. So let's say I want to send it to 𝐘𝐨𝒄𝒆 𝑺𝒆𝒂𝒓𝒄𝒆 on Messenger, but you can use whichever you want: Viber, iMessages, Mail, Instagram, Snapchat, whichever thing you want. But I'm gonna go with the 𝐘𝐨𝒄𝒆 𝑺𝒆𝒂𝒓𝒄𝒆 over here. Click on his name. Once I click on his name, his messenger is gonna pop up. I'm gonna say, alright, I'm just gonna write any message over here, click on send, and I'm gonna open my messenger to show you guys that this has been sent over here. As you guys can see, this has been sent to 𝐘𝐨. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send your place or like location where you want to go to your friends by dropping a pin on iPhone. So I'm just gonna remove this message because I don't want him to go over there, because this is just a tutorial video and I don't want him going over there. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can drop a pin on iPhone.